Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to this week's vlog. So actually, like I said on the last vlog, it is very, very exciting. The exciting news is we are getting another little corgi. So that means we're picking him up in 2 days, roughly. Might be 3. My math is going bad. But it's either Friday or Saturday that we're picking him up. Very complicated. So either Friday or Saturday is when we're picking him up. He will see then. But anyway, I have some things that I want to pack and take with to pick up this puppy. And I will tell you his name now, I guess. Or should I keep that a secret? I guess we'll tell you now. I will just give that to you. But, because I already have it written down on this list. That's what I was thinking. I don't know if I wanted to tell you. But I already have a list written down on the list. Anyway, here comes that point. So, I'll show you my list here. And maybe if you're picking up a puppy, this can maybe help you for some of the things you would want to take to pick up your puppy. I don't know. But this is just what I'm taking. So here, let me show you. Some of these things are also my stuff that I would want, like that for me. But this is just stuff that I wrote down, kind of organization, I guess. So here we go. So there's his name, and don't mind my stinking handwriting. Oh, and also all these I was bored while I was writing, trying to write down my list. That's me doodling. That's supposed to be a corgi, but whatever. Okay, the first thing I have written down is a water bottle. For water, just as a, because the dog's gonna get thirsty, so you're gonna want that anyway. So let's go get it. And we have a cold water in the fridge that I will take, just like this, just easy water. Or I might fill up a little canteen thing, or you know, a water jug thing, but most likely it will be this, just easy. Okay, second thing. I have a little travel bowl that I take when I go on park walks or whatever. So that is the second thing. Let's go get that. Okay, here's the little travel bowl. We'll have that. It looks like it needs washed because we took it to the dog park with us and it got very dirty. So we will have to wash that before we leave, but I have it. And the third thing is a little doggy bed, so that he can be nice and comfy, whether I hold that in my lap or stick it in his little crate, which leads us into the next thing. And yeah, I didn't have one, so I got one. That's just, we got one. But so I'll go get those 2 things, and yeah. Okay, then I had to come into the shed for the little dog bed. Kai has not used this since I got her, so it was out in the shed. I put it in her kennel, or his kennel when he needs it, or if he wants to sit in my lap with it. So yeah, got that. It looks like Kaya remembers her dog bed. Do you remember? Yeah, that's when you were little. And then this is the dog crate that I got from the thrift store. As you can see, it has a tiny little hole, but it's high enough for the corgi. It's high enough for the corgi puppy to not, you know, get out. And I'll probably patch it up. But it was only $3 and it needs washed out definitely. So I'm going to wash it out really good before we leave, because I don't want to carry any germs or whatever was in this before, you know, I bought it. So it was only $3. So it has some, you know, it definitely needs repaired, but he won't be staying in this very much. Okay, the 5th thing is going to be a dog leash and collar, or I have harness, and I scribbled that into there, obviously. So I'm gonna go get those. We don't really have one for like a boy, but it's pink. It will work for when he's little, and we'll get him a bigger one when he gets bigger. So let's go get those. Okay, so I have Kaya's leash. I have not yet bought Little Kaiser a leash yet, but I'm probably gonna get one like this because they're really super like heavy duty, and like a corgi is not gonna need a heavy duty, but they just last forever or for a really long time. And then this is Kaya's old collar. It just gets super tiny. Until he gets older, he can upgrade to a more manly collar. But for now, he'll have to stick with this little pink one with little bones on it. Okay, sixth thing, we're gonna get a towel. This is really, I guess you would say, my own liking. If he maybe throws up, or pees, or poops, we have something to maybe catch it or clean it up with. Just, yeah, just my own liking. Okay, I'm gonna go get those. Be right back. And then we have this towel that's kind of junky, that if he pees on it, you know, whatever, we have that. So we'll take that with. Okay, seventh thing, puppy food and treats. Treats are just luxury. If I didn't bring those, that'd be like whatever. But puppy food you're gonna want, because we're going 7.5 hours with it to get him, so we'll have to be with him for 7.5 hours, and we might be staying the night with him, so we'd want food. And then for puppy food, I have not got any yet, but like I said, I have 2 days to do that kind of shopping. That's kind of like, you know, last minute. But I do have the array of treats among all of the dog clothes. Yeah. Oh, and dog toys. So about here, we have, and you've seen these before, these are just healthy, long beef toys. We have bacon strips, but he is a puppy, so he's not gonna need that many treats because he's still a puppy. It will just mostly be his food. So treats are not necessary, just, you know, just a fun thing to have. So yeah. Okay, eighth thing is a little doggy toy. You know, let them play with, especially for 7.5 hours. They're gonna get bored, so most of the time they'll sleep, but you never know, they might want to play. So yeah, that's the eighth thing. And like I said earlier, we have the array of toys. I'll probably take this little rope toy he can chew on, and maybe a squeaky toy. I would take this one because this is Kai's favorite toy, but she has since ripped it. Yeah, she loves this toy. She likes the crackly ones. They make a ton of noise. Like this one. I'll probably take this one, as it squeaks and makes rattly noises, and they like that. So this will be the 2 toys I take. Okay, this is, you're gonna want this if you're gonna buy the dog with cash, so I have to take money. I'm gonna take this camera, and then lots of snacks. This is just for me, so I won't really show that. And then lots of love, but that will be very easy. So, you want to take that too. And then a car charger for my phone or any electronics that you want to have charged. And then puppy pads, which I'll go get those now. And now back to my dog drawer. We have puppy pads in the way back. I got these for Kaya when she was little, and she hardly ever needed them. So, yeah. But anyway, we'll take these with, or at least a few of them, just in case. Probably lay them on the bottom of the cage or something, so that when he's in the cage, he won't, that will catch it. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to clean out the kennel, and I have a little bottle with bleach water in it to get any germs, and basically just disinfecting it, because I'm going to have my little puppy traveling in it, and I don't want any germs. Chewy! Here, let's video you. You're pretty cute. Yeah, you are. Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. Watch your nose. Come here. Let me untie you. Because I'm out here now. I can watch you. But anyway, I'm going to get started on cleaning the kennel, and we'll see what we can maybe do about patching up that hole. I'm not really worried about the hole though, because it's small enough but the puppy can't get out. And all I'm going to be using that kennel for is in the back of the car. So when I put the puppy in there, if I need to, like maybe, I don't even know why we'd have to put him in there. But like I did say earlier, it is a 7.5 hour drive. So he might not want to sit on my lap, or, you know, Maggie and Kaya are playing in the background. Kaya's a toy. Kaya, Maggie won't chase you. But, yeah. She's very distracting. I can't vlog and watch her. And that noise, I don't know if you can hear that, but that is a cow mooing. Don't worry about it. It's not somebody dying. It sounds like it, but it's not. Okay, off topic. Let's wash this. Be back. So I'm just going to open this up and use the hose and this bleach water, and I'll probably go find a scrubby to scrub inside. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Okay, well, let me put it on something more direct here. That looks good. There we go. We'll kind of let that soak in there, and I'll go find a scrubby. Okay, I finished, hopefully the wind isn't too bad, but I finished washing the crate out, and as you can see, it's definitely lots cleaner. It definitely smells better. It didn't really stink earlier, but it's just, now it's, but there's a little bit of stain right there on the side, but I got most of it off, so, and actually I just realized I could have taken this cage apart and it would have made it way easier to clean. But I do things the hard way. You know, I don't know. Okay, who's ready to play with the yellow toy? It's Kaya's birthday toy. They love this toy because I can leave it outside because it's rubber and it doesn't get, you know, messed up. Okay, ready? Go! Where are you? There she is. Oh my goodness. And Maggie's over there just... Maggie! Chase him! She's like, I'm too old, I can't. You give me your key! And why were you too? I think Kaya's reclaiming the bed. Do you want that bed? She's like, I don't want my big one, I like my little one. Okay, so I have everything that I got all up in here. I have a leash. I have a collar under there. I have the two little toys. We have the bed. We have a towel. I cleaned this off. As you can see, it's still kind of wet. I have 2 different kinds of treats. We have puppy pads, and then the only thing we're going to need is the puppy food. And we'll probably, I think we're gonna probably pick it up when we go or start heading down there. So yeah, I think we got everything, and now we just need to load this up in the back of the car, and I think we are ready to roll out. So probably the next clip you are going to see is either in the next 2 days. Sometime in the next 2 days. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of this vlog. I know I'm gonna. So, we'll see you guys. Bye. So, good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, the 8th of September, and we are leaving today to go get Little Kaiser. And I am already ready to go, except for we just need to pack the stuff in the car, and I have like some last minute like toothbrush and stuff to pack because we're staying overnight, one night tonight, and then coming back tomorrow morning. Anyway, so as you can see, I still look like I just crawled out of bed, and that's because I just did. I'm not even talking clear right now. I'm sorry. So I lost my train of thought. Excuse me for a minute. But anyway, I got my thought back. We are leaving, I think, around 6 or something, or as soon as we can get out of the driveway. So that's why I woke up earlier. But I woke up just really early because I guess I must be excited because I was obviously thinking about it. So I am, and my nose is stuffed. My allergies are going nuts. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna wait till I'm a little bit more awake right now. Sorry. Okay, guys, we're off. Mom is getting directions, and I'm still half asleep. So, but I have my emoji pillow so I can sleep on it because I'm cool. Okay, I'll give you an update when we're further down the road. So yeah. Okay, so we are like 2 hours into the trip, or almost 2 hours. It's 7. Focus, camera. Why are you focused way up here? There you go.
We're into hour 3.
It is 7. You can't see it, but 7:49, and so we're pretty far into the trip, or at least some part into the trip. This is our first stop. Update for you. It's actually light out now, and then you can see. So
It's actually our second stop.
well, yeah, we got gas before, like right outside of home. So. Okay, we're on our third stop. It is 8:56, and we are getting some breakfast / lunch. Also, we're trying to find a parking spot.
I didn't turn it.
So, yeah, let's eat because I am starving.
There's 2 parking spots there, Mama.
Okay, we got our food. I got mine. Oh yeah, and then I got hash brown. Oh, came out of packaging. Oh wow. So, there's Grace's. So, we can hit the road now. So, let's go. Well, it has begun to rain, and it is 9:30. I mean, no, 9:25. So, now I'm gonna take a nap. Hi, Mom. raining.
Exit onto US 63 South and US 50 East.
Anyway, it's still raining and it's 11:06, so we jumped a little bit. But a lot of these, I always like bridges, so I like to show bridges. So here's a really cool bridge. Okay, so this is our fourth stop. We've second gas stop. And yeah.
And we're like an hour away from the thing. Or 2 hours away.
Yeah. We are 2 hours and 28 minutes. So it hasn't been that long since I last videoed, but we had to stop, so. Okay guys, we are 4 miles away from Little Kaiser, so not very far away, so very excited.
That's an abandoned hospital back there.
Okay guys, so I have a special surprise for you. Look! Oh my word! He's like, what are you making that noise? Oh, look how pretty his eyes are. He's kind of like, no, he's like, I don't have pretty eyes. I'm handsome, not pretty. My heart! Look, he's in his natural habitat. No, he's coming for my fries. I have fries. I also have a puppy. Hey, look what I have. Nice. Grace has Grace has a McFlurry. Here he goes. He goes from there. And then pretty soon he'll be back up here. Kaiser! Look at that! Oh, there you go. You have like stomach muscles. He's like, wait, she has fries too?
Don't even think of it.
Little Kaiser is sleeping on a bone. He's sound asleep. Here, look through here. Here's Kaiser. It's okay. Okay, sorry for the wind, but we stopped it. I don't even know what, but we just stopped to let him go pee and come here. Look at him. But we stopped to let him go pee and run around. He was sleeping most of the way, but we're almost to our hotel. As you can see, his little floppy ears. They're cute. Okay, ready? Go! You go, boy. Oh, he's dizzy. Are you dizzy? Kaiser. Hi, dude. No biting. That's a good boy. You listen very well. No. No. There, good boy. Good boy. Oh, it's a good boy. You can't bite, you silly goose. Look at that little butt.
Whoa.
That's a little butt.
Eat it?
Okay, now we're gonna get on the road again to our hotel. Oh my goodness. You're good behavior. He's gonna go onto his perch.
Go busy.
Look at that little butt. Look at that butt.
Yes, you are, yes. No, don't whine. You don't need to whine. No, you don't. No, you don't.
That little butt though.
She's like, get that out of my face.
Oh, you're good. What? He's like, don't put the camera in my face. Where are you taking it? He's like, I don't want to show the camera.
He's like, it's a big pot.
He's like, no. Okay, see you guys.
The bigger and better things. No, buddy.
Little Kaiser is sleeping in my lap. Cute little puppy. Okay, so we made it to our hotel. Kaiser! 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 Come here! Hi, little boy! Oh, yeah. Yes, dude. And then we bought pizza. It's very good, actually. So, yeah. Do you have to pee? Okay, come here. Come here, I'll go with you to the puppy pad. Come here. Come here. Okay, it's the next morning. I think it's like almost 6 at least. And he's already peed and pooped this morning and eaten, so I was wondering if maybe he had to go again. But I don't think so. Something in this hotel struck up my allergies last night. And he is very crazy. But now it's tiring out Kaiser for the ride home. Because we have 4 hours to go. Not in. I'm tired, sorry. 4 hours to go till we get home. I don't think he has to go. No, don't bite my toes. No, don't bite my toes. I'm going to the puppy pad. He's like, yeah. Maybe yeah. What are you doing? Okay, I don't think he's gonna go to the bathroom, but he's pretty cute. Oh, there we go. He's going. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. You're like on the puppy pad. Good boy. Come on. Okay, we're getting ready to roll out, like I said. Look at you, little Kaiser. Where are you going? He's getting a little bit better about walking on the leash, but when we first got him, he did not. Like, when he saw the leash attached to him, you could still see he's kind of like, what? But He's getting better. There you are. Wanna go in the grass? Nope. It's hard being short, isn't it? But we're leaving this really disgusting hotel. We didn't realize that this is what it looked like. And it was really gross, but it's okay. I think he's going to the bathroom. No, he's just biting grass. He's biting grass. Goodbye, hotel. So we stopped and got gas, and Kaiser's driving, I guess. He's like, how does this thing work? Oh, just step on all that stuff, why don't you? What are you doing, goofhead? Okay, so we're grabbing breakfast at a Casey's. I don't know if you can see that. And Little Kaiser's sitting here with me. Oh, he's so cute. He super really wants my food. Oh, look at how yummy that is. Whoopsie, he fell. So Mom, I have a hash brown and a sausage, egg and cheese. No, sausage. Whatever, it's a croissant thing.
It is sausage, egg, and cheese.
Okay, my food fell. Bye. Okay, we stopped at a rest stop because people had to go to the bathroom. Mainly him. And he already would pee. Good boy. As you can see, we're just hanging out. It's crazy. Kaiser! Good boy! He's been sleeping almost the whole way. When it gets, oh, excuse me, whew. When he gets hot, he usually will toss and turn, but for the most part, when he'll lay right in front of the vent on my knees, as you've kind of seen in the vlog a little bit. I think I vlogged that. He's such a cute puppy. Okay, so we're at another gas station. We're about roughly an hour away from home. Don't like my straw. And as you can hear, my sinuses are through the roof. I mean, my allergies. My sinuses are through the roof. Anyway, I probably will just teleport home from here for you guys because we're all really tired and not being very entertaining. So, you'll probably just see us at home and he's saying, come on, what are you doing?
He wants to come back so bad, but he's scared.
But yeah, so we'll teleport home now. Good girl. There's the mini corgi. He's like, I submit. Tater tot. Who's that? Jenny, look. Whoa.
Battery's about to die.
It's okay. Corn.
Mom, you can let Kaya out.
Can you pick up my feed cup?
They were like, who is that? It's another corgi, Kaya. Iggy. Come here.
She does not know what to think.
back. Get her, Kaiser. Tater Tot, what do you think, baby?
Kaiser, come on, let's go play.
Actually, she doesn't know if she wants to play or
She wants to be scared of him. Kaiser, you're a little rascal. Come here.
Yeah.
Look at this dude. Kaya, you are this big one.
Come here.
Oh, I love you, Kaya.
Ay, no, come here.
Okay, let's go show everybody else you, dude. Okay, so I think we're going to go over and show Little Kaiser to some other people. So I think that's what we're going to do now. So, hope you enjoy.
Uh-oh. Guys, like, don't do that.
This is the weirdest play I've ever seen.
It's so slow.
Das meets Kaiser.
Look at him. He was. Kaiser. Kaiser. Kaiser.
He's like, I can kill us.
Kaiser. Kaiser.
Das is like, no.
Kaiser. Kaiser. Hey. Come here.
Fighting me.
Sam, let him go. Kaiser.
He won't come.
Kaiser. Come here.
Ah, come here, buddy.
Come here.
Oh, target acquisition. Bye.
I got it.
Look at Dawson's face. He's
Grace, move.
It's okay, Doc. He's like
His eyes are like,
jerking at every move. Come here, Kaiser. You want to smell it?
Come on.
do you?
Oh, almost got it.
Grace is just trying to experiment.
No.
Okay, so we're back home from showing Kaiser to everybody, and Kaiser and Kaya are getting along really well, which I'm very glad, because Kaiser did this thing to this other dog that we saw on the way here. He started like barking at it, and I was thinking, oh no, he's gonna be a little bit not nice to the other dogs or whatever. But he was. Kaiser's gonna get his first bath. Oh my goodness. Here. With water. I'm gonna do this the before. Okay, so it is after Little Kaiser's bath. Here they are. All clean puppies. Or puppy. And I have his food. So yeah. We've had Kaiser for 4 days. Okay, come here. Come here, silly goose. Hey. Kaiser, come here. Come here. Come here, I have your food. No, wait, you need to go. There you go. Get your little butt in. And I got sick. So that is not fun. I feel terrible, but it's okay. I just got back from work and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I think this video is gonna be really long, but it was just a super exciting vlog and hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on, and we'll see you next time. Bye!